Strengthening Faith 89. I had a thought which I wanted to share. The companions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, clearly stand out as the best group of people that have ever existed, second only to the holy prophets, peace be upon them. One of the things which made them great was their high aims and aspirations. In everything they did and said, they always aimed for the hereafter, instead of aiming for the material world. Even if one removes their abundant worship and only observes their daily activities, they will clearly see a group of people who truly believed in the hereafter, as the majority of their daily efforts were dedicated to the hereafter, as they always used the blessings they were granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and avoided using them in vain and sinful ways. On the other hand, if one removes the obligatory prayers from a modern Muslim's daily life, they will not be able to differentiate them by their daily activities from a non-Muslim. This is only because of their low aspirations and aims. Meaning, the vast majority of their efforts are dedicated to this material world, just like a non-Muslim. One should not fool themselves into believing that they are doing the same thing as the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, did. Yes, the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, took part in business and raised families, but the way they did these things were totally rooted in the teachings of Islam. They earned and spent only in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and avoided anything which would not benefit them in the hereafter. How many Muslims can claim they behave in this way? The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, got married, but they chose a spouse based completely on the teachings of Islam, and strived hard to fulfill the rights of their spouse according to the teachings of Islam, instead of according to their own desires. How many Muslims can claim they behave in this manner? The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, raised children by teaching them the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, and taught them to prioritize preparing for the hereafter over this world, by using the blessings they were granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Whereas, most Muslim parents today only teach their children how to recite the Holy Quran without understanding it and acting on it, and put their full effort in encouraging them to succeed in earning lots of wealth and buying lots of properties. Modern Muslims do copy the actions of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, but as their aims and aspirations are focused on the material world, they are very apart from the companions, may Allah be pleased with them. One must live their life in a way so that it becomes apparent to someone observing their day-to-day activities that they truly believe in the hereafter, as their aims and aspirations are all pointing towards the hereafter. This is achieved when one uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. One cannot behave like this only during the 5 obligatory prayers, which takes less than an hour of a day, and instead show this attitude in every action and word. This was the attitude of the companions, may Allah be pleased with them, and is one of the reasons behind their greatness. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.